Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
Welcome back, everyone, and good morning. This is a live look from our Frankenmuth sky cam. We've had a pretty nice morning so far. We've got snow showers that are moving in later on this morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm Meteorologist Ahmad Bajjey. A wide view of the United States right now. I want to show you something really cool because you get to feel a little happy about this one. Nice, strong cold front across the East Coast all the way down into Florida means Florida, almost the entire Gulf Coast, all the way over to the East Coast as well, are under freeze warnings all the way through this morning and into later on today. So what we had earlier about a week and a half ago, now they get to get it. Now 30 degrees for our high today. We will be far warmer than anybody down in Florida. Snow showers, 1 inch to the south, 1 to 2 inches across our north. So Tri-Cities all the way up to our northern counties. Not too much snow, but enough that you're going to have to shovel. 21 degrees for your low overnight tonight. The snow is going to taper off, and then we're going to get some partial clearing, which means we're going to cool on down. Will definitely hold us near the low 20s, so we could cool off another degree or two. Depends on how much how much of the sky ends up clearing later on tonight. 27 degrees for your high tomorrow. That's when we have to watch out for the lake effect snow. So we're going to have a lot of that falling during the day tomorrow. Mostly just about a dusting, so it's going to be on and off. It'll melt, and then we'll get a little bit more of it. Mostly cloudy skies, mainly across the entire area tomorrow. Now, starting our model at 8 o'clock this morning, you can see how the clipper's already going to be moving into the area. The front's far behind it, but it pushes all the snow ahead of it. We've already got a little bit of a break ahead of the line, though, so we don't have to worry about much of it until 10 o'clock is when we get our main amount. So as we set it into motion, we get to just after 10 o'clock. Widespread across the area, and the main line is moving from the Tri-Cities diagonally down towards Owasso. You can see the front just coming in on the left side of your screen. Snow starts to move on out to the east. Main stuff still continues on going through as we go into Friday morning. The low and the front is going to be right on top of us, the occluded front, because the cold front and the warm front are far down to the south. Then it's going to start moving on up to the east. We'll have a little bit of a break until we watch for that lake effect enhancement I was just mentioning throughout the day on Friday. Now, as we go throughout the day, here's what we're looking at snow total wise. About an inch up to about an inch across the southern counties into the southern parts of the Tri-Cities. Then from there on up, we have the 1 inch line up to about 3 inches you head to the north into our northern counties. Now, throughout the next 7 days, we do have a little bit of a cool down, then a very brief warm up, and then we plummet. So here's what we've got: 30 degrees for today. We start to slowly, gradually cool on down into the low teens, so 11 to 12 on for your lows on Friday night into Saturday. As we go throughout the rest of the weekend, we warm up towards 30 on Monday, and then we go towards 20 and a low of 0 on Tuesday night. So Tuesday we get hit with a little more snow. Right now accumulations could go either way, maybe a couple inches, possibly just a dusting. It's still too far out to figure out which way this is going to go. A lot of the models aren't agreeing on that one, but the main thing is we will be getting snow on Tuesday.